Crash course on New Zealand wildlife, a look at the diverse wildlife of New Zealand, including the kiwi bird, fur seals, and the endangered kakapo parrot. New Zealand is home to some of the most unique and diverse wildlife on the planet, from its iconic kiwi bird to its fascinating marine life. Let's take a closer look at the wildlife of this beautiful country. One interesting story about New Zealand's wildlife is the story of the tuatara. This ancient reptile is found only in New Zealand and is considered a living fossil, with a lineage that dates back over 200 million years. It has a third eye on top of its head that can sense light, even though it is covered by scales. Another fascinating animal is the kakapo parrot, one of the rarest birds in the world. With only about 200 left in existence, the kakapo is critically endangered and has been the focus of a major conservation effort. Here are the top 12 popular wildlife species in New Zealand. Kiwi bird, Kea parrot, Hector's dolphin, yellow-eyed penguin, tuatara, kakapo parrot, saddleback bird, fur seals, southern right whale, little blue penguin, royal albatross, tui bird. New Zealand is also known for its unique marine life, with opportunities for visitors to swim with dolphins and seals, and even spot whales from the shore. In addition to its wildlife, New Zealand is home to stunning natural landscapes that provide habitats for these animals to thrive. In summary, New Zealand's wildlife is diverse and unique, offering visitors the chance to see rare and endangered species in their natural habitats. From the ancient tuatara to the iconic kiwi bird, the wildlife of New Zealand is a must-see for any nature lover. And now, a poem. The land of the long white cloud, where creatures roam wild and proud. From kiwi birds to tuataras old, their stories have yet to be fully told. The kakapo parrot's dwindling cries echo through the forest skies, while fur seals bask on rocky shores, and Hector's dolphins dance and soar. The Kea's mischief knows no bounds, as it swoops and plays with joyful sounds, and the tui's melodies fill the air, a symphony for all to share. So come and explore this land so fair. Discover the wonders that await you there. For New Zealand's wildlife will capture your heart, and leave you forever changed from the start. And a song. Verse 1. In the land of the long white cloud, there's a world waiting to be found, where creatures great and small roam wild and free for all. Chorus. From the kiwi to the kakapo, the tuatara to the kea, New Zealand's wildlife will steal the show, and leave you in awe and wonder, you'll see. Verse 2. On the shore, fur seals bask in the sun, while dolphins dance and have fun, and whales sing their haunting songs, in this place where they belong. Chorus. From the kiwi to the kakapo, the tuatara to the kea, New Zealand's wildlife will steal the show, and leave you in awe and wonder, you'll see. Bridge. So come and explore this land so fair, where nature's beauty fills the air. For in New Zealand you'll find a world unlike any other kind. Chorus. From the kiwi to the kakapo, the tuatara to the kea, New Zealand's wildlife will steal the show, and leave you in awe and wonder, you'll see. We hope this video has given you a taste of all the incredible experiences New Zealand has to offer. If you're ready to start planning your own adventure to New Zealand, please ensure to use our booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. 8 equals 7989335 to book your flights, hotels, car rentals, local attractions, and more. It's an easy and kind way to support this channel and make sure you get the best possible deals on your trip. Thank you. And Hub Metaverse team.